Crea-Madonnas, welcome back to the channel. I am Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, good morning. I'm up and printing out these labels or tags for my tables, and I wanted to just show you and get this video out just in case you guys wanted to try this. So I printed these on canva.com, or I have the app actually. I printed these on Canva, as you will see in the last video. And so I'm basically going to put these in frames, but I'm showing you guys how I'm cutting them down because of how they printed. So that last cutting board was not getting it for me because my blade is dull. So I went ahead and used my Cricut one, and immediately you can see the difference from the edges being frayed and from them being sliced. So yeah, my Cricut cutting board, I didn't want to dull my blade using it on paper, but I mean it's gonna have to do for this morning. But these are the Dollar Tree frames that I got. I didn't want anything too much, just something simple, minimalist, something clean looking that will get the point across, and I think these are so perfect for that. So I picked these up last year. I never used them. I didn't get a chance to, and so I was glad I had these to go ahead and do this year so that I can have some type of organization. Last year was not that way. This is actually my second year, so I'm looking for ways always to upgrade my stand. You know, I want to bring corporate America into my, well, some of it anyway, the organization part of it into my business. So these are the ones that I printed out. I actually printed out every price increment as well as my logo for some branding, and the flyer that I sent to other businesses and places so that when they pull up, they know they're in the right place. So we want to brand our business. So this is a good idea. If you guys do it, let me know. And I just wanted to share this with you this morning. So have a great Saturday. Okay, bye.